Ah, ye Scots working men, you're gone crazy of fear. Every day ye maun hae your bit beef and your beer. Little ken ye of noo, though you'll soon come to learn that your natural food is but tatties and herring. Tatties and herring, tatties and herring, your natural food is but tatties and herring. We a pound in the week, ye should a be content, for ye've got 10 shillings for clothes and for rent. 60 lay by, gin ye win to be sparing. And 7 and 6pence for tatties and herring. Tatties and herring, tatties and herring, and 7 and 6pence for tatties and herring. Van the Queen's winton men, for to fecht we are foes. It's nae the roast beef devourer she goes, but what to the north, mongst the brave and the daring, to the lads that were brought up on tatties and herring. Tatties and herring, tatties and herring, to the lads that were brought up on tatties and herring. Van the harbour a refuge was first spoke about. Aberdeen and Steenhive, they were fair knocked out. Van they heard that the convicts were getting best faring. Oh, Gwaed, Buck and Tatties and Peter Heed herring. Tatties and herring, tatties and herring, oh, Gwaed, Buck and Tatties and Peter Heed herring.